Heavy rainfall has thrown the lives of people in Assam off gear. More than 2 lakh people in the Dima Hasao district of the state have been affected, which was completely cut off due to landslides that were triggered by heavy rainfall. On Monday, 2 died due to the floods that were reported in the state, while landslides claimed life of 3 people, according to the local authorities in the district. Hojai and Chachar are the worst affected areas, as 78,157 and 51,357 people were affected by the floods respectively in these 2 areas. The Assam State Disaster Management Authority has said that in total 652 villages in 20 districts were affected by the floods so far. 55 relief camps have been set up to help the people in need in 7 districts, which are housing 32,959 people.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.